Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we have a lot to talk about. I have a few quick updates to share with you all, plus we have some Runnn deals, 8 items for completely free. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First up, just a few quick reminders. I have already uploaded several other DG videos for you all this week. We have some amazing deals, amazing coupon matchups, and some really good glitches. We also have some really good Runnn deals and a 3-day sale going on right now. Today, Saturday, November the 18th, is the last day of this sale. So if you want to get in on those deals, make sure that you do before they're gone. Also, yesterday, I uploaded the new clearance markdowns and penny list for next week at Dollar General. This is the biggest penny list of the year, guys. Make sure that you go and check out that video. You are not going to want to miss out on that one. And also, don't forget, we still have our Harvest home sale going on. Harvest is currently at 50% off during this sale, and this sale will run through November the 23rd. It does include the home decor, outdoor, kitchen, floor, tabletop, and candle items. Now, y'all know Thanksgiving is right around the corner, and man, I know it snuck up on me. So I just wanted to remind everybody about the free Thanksgiving dinner deals right now on Ibotta. If you are not already signed up for Ibotta, my referral code is on the screen as well as in the description box below. If you use it, you get a little extra welcome bonus, plus all of these free Thanksgiving dinner items. Now, I have already uploaded a video explaining everything, so that's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Make sure that you go and check it out before these deals are gone. All right, next up, I know that I mentioned this deal in a couple of other videos, but just in case, we do have these Kinder Joy Halloween eggs. Be on the lookout for them up near the register. These things could be anywhere in the store at this point. They're on clearance, plus we have cashback offers. Now, on some of my accounts, I still have this 75-cent cashback offer. On other accounts, I have a 50-cent cashback offer. Either way, if you pick one of those up, that's going to make it completely free, plus a little bit of a money maker. And there is a limit of 5 for each of those cashback offers, so you can do this deal up to 5 times on one receipt. Now, I know that a lot of people have questions about DG cashback offers. How do we earn them? How do we use it? All of the things. Well, lucky for you, I've already put together a video going over all of the things, everything that you need to know about DG Cash, how to earn it, how to use it, everything. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below, so if you have questions, make sure that you go and check that video out. All right, next up, we talked about this deal in Sunday's video. We have a little glitch going on with the Bountiful Bites wet dog food trays. These are normally priced at $1.95. Now, I have a little bit more information on this glitch, so y'all make sure that you stay tuned until the end. But as far as including this deal in with your 5 off 25s, I just want to make sure that everybody knows that these are on sale this week, 2 for $2.65. $1.95 each. On sale, 2 for $2.65. So which price do we include in with our 5 off $25 scenarios? The sale price. So you're going to add 2 in for $2.65, and then that third one is going to be $1.95 at regular price. Now, I know that a lot of people kind of get confused when it comes to putting together 5 off $25 deals. Which price do we use? The regular price, the sale price? We have instant savings. There's all kinds of things to factor in. So I have put together a video, top 10 mistakes that people make when putting together your 5 off 25s, when you're at the register. There's all kinds of good information in this video. So if you haven't watched this one, make sure that you go and check it out. It's going to be linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, after all of my shameless self-promotion, let's go ahead and get into these deals. First up, brand new deal, we have this cashback offer, $2.50 back on the drumstick cones. These are priced at just $4.65 right now, so that's going to make your final price $2.15. All right, now let's talk about some free items. Here we have the Oreo ice cream, 14 ounces. All right, these are normally priced at $2.60. Right now, they're on sale, 2 for $4, making those just $2 each, which is a great deal. But what we're going to do for this deal is we're actually going to pick up a total of 4 ice creams. That's going to put us at $8. Keep in mind, y'all can definitely include this deal in with your 5 off 25s, and you could possibly walk out with a bunch of free stuff, even a moneymaker today. So pick up 4 at $8. We have this DG cashback offer right now on our accounts for $2 back. So after you go through the line, type in your number, you're going to get back $8 in DG cash. That is going to make your final price completely free for 4 things of Oreo ice cream. Now, that deal is amazing all by itself, but this still gets even better because we can actually do it a second time using the same account. As long as you have your Dollar General account linked to your Ibotta account, because right now on Ibotta, we have the $2 rebate back on the Oreo ice cream as well. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind if you want to take full advantage of this deal. Number 1, definitely make sure you have your Dollar General account linked to your Ibotta account. Number 2, I would definitely do these deals in 2 separate transactions. That way you're doing your DG cashback offer first, and then you can go in, type in your number again for your Ibotta rebates. And that way, if there's anything that pops up with Ibotta, if you have to show proof of a receipt, you have a separate receipt just for your Ibotta deals. Now, with the Ibotta rebates, it does get even better because we do have a bonus on there for when we purchase these items 3 times, you're going to get a 50-cent bonus. So just if you want to go and do the Ibotta deals, 4 ice creams for completely free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. If you do the DG Cash and the Ibotta deals, guess what? You're getting 8 things of ice cream for completely free plus a 50-cent moneymaker. Y'all, this is a definite Runnn deal. Now, before I let y'all go, we're going to circle back to the Purina Beneful dog food deal. Again, these are on sale too for $2.65. Pick up a total of 3. We have this $1.99 off 2 digital coupon, plus we have a buy one, get one free digital coupon. Some weird things are happening, okay? If you do this deal at an old register, it's either going to come up completely free or it's going to come up that you're paying 66 cents for 3. I'm not quite sure what the discrepancy is, but just be aware that there could be a few cents difference, or it could make the items completely free. Now, also at self-checkout, it has come up for me at 66 cents, but I've also been seeing people say that they have paid 70 cents at self-checkout. Also, on pickup orders, for now, it is showing me 66 cents in the app for 3. So, again, not quite sure what's going on with it, but just be aware if there's a little bit of a difference in your 5 off $25 scenarios, that might be the culprit. All right, guys, so there you have it, a total of 12 possible freebies in this one video. So y'all make sure that you do all the things, subscribe, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned because I have more deals coming at you all today with some hidden clearance items. So that is going to be it for me for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.